Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix no audio output device install in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will go into Windows bar and then click on settings. After that, here we will find update and security. Click on it. And then here we will get this left side troubleshoot. Click on it. And then we will get additional troubleshooters. Click on it. And then we will get playing audio. Click on it and then run the troubleshooter. They are trying to detect problem. And I will select my speaker over here and click next. And I think they didn't find any problem in my playing audio. So now I will click cancel. And then I will come into my home page and now I will search for services over here and click on this. After that, I will try to find Windows Audio over here. See, we find it. And then click on it. After that, we will click on our right mouse button and here we will get properties. Click on it. After that, here you can see the startup type is automatic. If it's not same as like mine, click on this and select automatic and select apply. After applying this, press OK and then restart the service. Now I think now your problem is fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.